Hi, okay, we're going to be doing an A chord. I'm going to give it to you the traditional way. For me, it doesn't really work because my fingers are too thick, but I'll do the best I can. Traditionally, your fingers stack up like 3 points of a triangle. Everything is happening on the 2nd fret. Your pointer finger goes on the G string, 2nd fret. Your ring finger goes on the B string, 2nd fret, and your middle finger goes on the D string, 2nd fret. Then you should get this. Preferably, you should only strum 5 strings. Again, strumming down strum is an up slant. Up strum is a down slant. Okay, so that you should get all of those notes out. Try not to strum the low E string. Okay, here you go.